Jiangsu Dubao Pump Industry Company Limited is a production-oriented enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing and sales. Founded in 2007. The company is located in Suzhou, a water town in the south of the Yangtze River. It is only half an hour away from Shanghai, China and Apo's financial center. It can reach an international airport in 10 minutes. The environment is beautiful and the transportation is very convenient. In the process of innovation and R&D, we focus on product innovation, quality improvement and process improvement. The company has passed the ISO 9001 Management System certification, and all products have passed the EU-CE certification. We combine the advanced technology of Japan and Taiwan, focus on the domestic and foreign markets, and invest a lot of money in the introduction of people, mold development, process and equipment, adhering to the concept of professionalism, quality, service and innovation and quote. The company provides our customers with high-quality professional electroplating filters and acid and alkali-resistant pumps. It is especially suitable for electroplating, circuit board PCB, LED electronics and photovoltaic solar energy, wastewater treatment, medical and chemical industry, environmental protection, waste gas treatment, etching, cleaning, oxidation, electrophoretic coating and other industries. Products are exported to Southeast Asia, South Asia, the Middle East, South America, Africa, Europe, Taiwan and other regions, and establish stable and long-term cooperation with them, which is highly praised. Dubao BMF continuous plating inside tank filter. 1. The filter is made of PP solid board, which is acid and alkali resistant, excellent in performance and simple in operation. 2. The trough can be erected by vertical pumping. 3. The design is ingenious, easy to install. Use inside tank. There is no worry about leakage. 4. The filter cartridge lock cap type design. High precision. Simple operation. Easy to clean. The products are widely used in chemical industry, electroplating, metal processing, medicine, food processing and other fields. They have the characteristics of acid-base resistance, corrosion resistance, stable and reliable quality, simple structure and easy maintenance. The products can be customized according to the use scene, such as size, voltage, import and export position, caliber and other parameters. For details, please contact us. Email kathy@jsdow.com. WhatsApp +861 510619835. Website www.dubaopump.com. Facebook https://www.facebook.com/dubaopump. YouTube www.youtube.com/channel/UCTY#HKWJJ2ZQS8EG0 Twitter www.twitter.com/dubaop. INS www.instagram.com/dubaopumps